Dang it, I was trying to write Ashley. No, what ditch this with them? I don't know what to draw. Let me search up random things to draw. Cats, no. Dogs, no. All houses I've lived in, sure, I'll try that. I'll try the one that I live in now. Garage. Okay, my garage is weird. It's half the roof. It just connects to my house. And there's a room above it. The doors, windows, the driveway. And this thing connects to my driveway right here. And by the way, there's a chandelier that'd be right there. Chimney. Oh wait, we have a few more windows in this house. These ones are usually open, so I'll just draw them open. Okay, that's the grass. If anyone wants me to draw something for them, just tell me. I will. Okay. My roof is a very dark red. The actual color. Like that. That's no. Yeah, I guess kind of that. Oh wait. Oh. That was not what I was looking for. Oh, that's... There, right. Darker, bit darker. There. Nope, the sun is not full. Okay. Oh, and then my chimney is black. And this is my current house.